I'll be making gluten-free Christmas crinkle cookies today. I'll leave a detailed recipe down below. Mix well until it forms a thick paste. Add in your eggs one at a time and mix in between. I'll be using a gluten-free plain white flour. It's a blend of rice, potato, tapioca, maize, and buckwheat flour. Once it forms a soft dough, place in the fridge to chill for about an hour. Take a spoonful of the dough and roll it into a ball. Then roll each ball into icing sugar. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now let's make some mulled wine.
The first Noel, the angels did say, was to Satan poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a cold winter's night.
Now heat it up at low heat for about 30 minutes. Don't let it boil.
Noel, 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 born is the King of Israel.
Mulled wine and gluten-free Christmas crinkle cookies, perfect for the holiday season. Hope everyone has an amazing holiday season. Happy holidays!